Hello and welcome back to Poetic Insight. Today we are diving into a powerful and thought-provoking poem from your class 10th CBSE syllabus, Robert Frost, Fire and Ice. Before we unravel the poem's layer, let's take a moment to appreciate the genius behind it. Robert Frost was an American poet known for his ability to write poems that simple on the surface but are packed with deep meaning. He often wrote about nature and everyday human experiences, using them to explore complex ideas about life, choices, and the human heart. He won 4 Pulitzer Prizes for poetry, a statement to his enduring impact on literature. Fire and Ice, though Bring is a perfect example of his ability to pack immense meaning into a few carefully chosen words. Now, let's introduce the poem itself. Fire and Ice is a concise 9-line poem that contemplates the end of the world. It presents two contrasting possibilities for humanity's demise. Fire and Ice, written in 1920, it reflects the anxieties and the philosophical discussion of its time. But its themes are timeless and universal. And poem isn't just about a literal fire and ice. It uses these elements as a powerful metaphor for human emotion and destructive forces within society. It invites us to consider what truly leads to destruction: intense passion or cold indifference. Let's break down the poem stanza by stanza. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. Here, Frost immediately set up the central debates. Some suggest a common, perhaps even ancient human preoccupation with the end of the world. Fire and ice are presented as the two main contenders for humanity's destroyer. This line reflects a universal human curiosity about the ultimate destruction. Then, Frost introduces his personal perspective. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. Here, the poet brings himself to the equation. He equates fire with desire, and the desire in this context can be interpreted the intense passion, greed, lust, anger, and any consuming emotion that burns out of control. Having experienced or tasted such desire, Frost leans towards fire as the more probable destructive force. This suggests that the unchecked human passion can lead to catastrophic consequences. Finally, he considers the alternative. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to know that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. So, in these lines, Frost contemplates a hypothetical second destruction. He introduces ice as a metaphor for hate. This isn't just ordinary dislike, but rather cold, calculating, and different hatred. While fire represents explosive passion, ice represents a slow, freezing, and equally potent form of destruction. The phrase is also great and would suffice emphasizes that even though his initial inclination was towards fire, he acknowledges the immense destructive power of hate and indifference. It is a chilling thought, both extremes, burning passion and freezing apathy, can lead to the same devastating end. Now, let's talk about the poetic devices Frost masterfully employs in Fire and Ice. Firstly, we have symbolism. As we discussed, fire symbolizes destructive human emotion like desire, passion, fury, and the great, while ice symbolizes hate, coldness, indifference, and the insensibility. These aren't just literal elements but powerful representation of human nature. Next, consider the rhyme scheme. The poem follows an ABA, ABC, BCB rhyme scheme. This unique structure gives the poem a cohesive feel despite its brevity and adds to its musicality. We also see the alliteration in phrase like favor fire, where the repetition of the F sound create emphasize and the pleasing rhythm. There is also imagery through which the prose evoke vivid picture in our mind of a word ending in flames or frozen solid, appealing to our senses. Finally, the poem is a classic example of metaphor, where the entire concept of the fire and ice is used metaphorically to represent human emotion and their potential for destruction. The comparison isn't direct, rather, it's implied throughout the poem. Fire and Ice is a short poem with a colossal message. It compels us to look the inward and consider the destructive potential of our own emotion, whether they are burning hot and desire or chilling cold with hate. It is a timeless warning about the importance of balance and the compassion. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Poetic Insight. We hope this analysis has given you a deeper understanding of Robert Frost's Fire and Ice. Join us next time for another dive into the world of poetry. Thanks for watching.